Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I will do my best to catch some of my trades as I make them live. I will keep you posted. Okay, I'm going for some shit. Well, there I am filled. Got some at 37.35. We'll look to sell those at 37.40. And if I need to bring my costs down, I can do that. Already a massive gap down, so I suppose it could fall a little bit further, but I mean it's been beat up very much so right off the get-go. You can see a big order there at 15. See if that can hold. Doesn't look like it's going to. Looks like 37 is not going to hold up. It may. Okay, I'm going to try to pick some up at 01. So my average now is 18 with 3,000 shares. So let's see if I can get a bounce here. I'll try to get some off at 37.24 if it wants to push up there. Okay, I got those off. And again, I got the rest off at 37.28. So there we are, 234 on the first trade. As you saw, very first entry was not very good, but I was fine with that just because I had the plan going in. And, well, I'm not going to talk too much because I need to keep my eye on it. Lots of good volatility right now. Okay, I have an order in at 60. Actually, I want to change that. I think I'd like that better at 65. So we'll see if it can get up there. And I will keep you updated. Okay, it's making a move. Let's see if it can push up above. Getting closer and closer. Maybe I should, here we go. Let's see if it can push up this time. All right, I'll just go with 11.20 worth of shares. See if I can get those covered at 37.60. And again, may need to short some more. And I am out. Should have gotten some more up there at the 85, especially when that high there was what, 85, and the highest it went was 89. So whatever though, I'm speaking in hindsight. Let's see if I can catch another one. Okay, going for some at 85. That's right up where that resistance area is. Very well could break through, but you know, lots of breakouts like to go back and retest their levels of previous resistance. So you know, if it would do that, then I'd still have a good little initial entry point. So I'm in. Let's see if I can get out at 80. If not, I will just build up a bigger position. And I'm all out there. So let's see if I can catch some more. You can see all these upper shadows here. So this thing's either going to break out here soon or it's going to be rolling back over, because there's clearly some sellers up around this area. If it can break out from above here, then it could really get moving. But every time it gets up into the zone, as you can see by these upper shadows, it keeps getting knocked down. So that's what I'm looking at. And just kind of a little interesting note about how candlesticks can really be pretty powerful. Okay, I have an order in to short at 38.30. This is based off some Fibonacci extension stuff. A little bit above that white line there. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. So I will pause and let you know. Okay, looking to go short at 35. I'm in. We'll look to cover at 38.30. Just 1,000 shares now. Just looking to kind of mitigate my risk a little bit at this point. Don't want to go in quite as big. So it's hovering down here around, there we go, and I'm out. So that was another $50, up 415, and it's just 15 minutes into the day. Let's trade some more. Okay, going for some shares at 56 to short. Then we'll look to cover at 51. Reason 56, I don't want to have to try to cover at 50 just because that's that round number. So I'd imagine there'd be quite a few people I'd be competing against to buy right there. But if I move my order up to 56, then that'll at least allow me to still get my 5 cents and be able to cut in front of the line in front of everybody else. But now it's pulling back, so we'll see if it can even get up there. But that was at least my rationale. You know, why 56? Well, that's all just based off level 2s and, you know, knowing that 50 is one of those round numbers. So let's see if it can get back up here above 50. Nope. All right, I will pause it and keep you updated. Okay, looking to short some Twitter here at 45. Chart is just severely overextended, especially on the 5-minute. So if it can get up there to 45, I'd like that at least as a point to start to build a position. But maybe I'm a little too late to the party now, as a pullback seems to be starting. So bummer. Spent a little too much time looking at Lulu, and probably missed out on the opportunity that I was looking for there. However, the 5-minute chart is still, so yeah, even if it can get up to 45, I'd still like that on the 5-minute. So I will keep you up. Well, there it goes back down. All right, I'll keep you posted. Looking to short some Twitter here at 36.60. Maybe already talked about. Oh yeah, I already talked about Twitter. Sorry about that. So you know that I've already been looking at this one, and the same rationale. The 5-minute chart very overextended. So if I could start to build my position at 60, that'd be, I think, a very ideal spot. However, we'll see. Looking like it may not get up there. I was thinking 56 and then try at 51. And that would have probably been pretty good, as the highest it went was 58. But let's see if it can push up there. All right, I'm going to start to get a little bit more time conscious here. Videos at over 8 minutes. I'd like to try to keep this one under 10, so I will keep you updated. Well, I tried to cancel the order real quick because I wanted to move it up, but I could only cancel it before I got 300 of my 1,000. So now I have another 700 up at 70 that I'll look to try to short some more to get my position up to 1,000. But if it wants to pull back and get me out at, I guess, 55, I'll just cover those 300 shares. But okay, now it gave me 240. There, I'm all in. So now my average is 36.67. At 1,000 shares, and given this one's kind of been a train wreck, let's just see if I can cover down there in the low 60s. But regardless, I'll take a opening position 1,000 at 36.67, better than what I had originally thought or wanted at my 60 mark. So I still feel very comfortable on that. Let me bring over the 5-minute chart just so you can see what I'm talking about. Pretty much at 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 candles in a row, all green, 2 extremely big ones. So I mean, it's getting overextended. There's got to be some pullback coming, you know, at some point. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. I want to try to keep this under 10 minutes. All right, just got out, covered at what did I cover at? So I had my 1,000 shares at 36.67, and I covered at 36.56 for a $110 gain. We are 25 minutes into the day, and I'm now at 5:25 on the day. So a nice morning, pretty good for a summer. So I'm pleased with this, and I'll probably trade some more. But I'm going to wrap this up. If you want to learn how to trade like this, meaning with technical analysis and candlestick charts and level 2s, I offer courses. One thing I want to note because I think a lot of people get confused is that, just a minute, I'm going to put in an order here. One thing that a lot of people get confused about is that, they think, well, I don't want to just trade every few seconds like you do. Well, and that's the great thing about charts. Whether you're looking to hold for just a few seconds like me or looking to hold for a few days or a few weeks, charts can still be applied. So don't look at it as, oh, you have to trade like I am right here for charts to work. Charts work across all time frames and time intervals. So that's really the power of them. And then the level 2 is a very crucial tool for risk analysis, risk management, all that stuff. Like I said, claytrader.com, go to the store, offer courses. Also have a trading group. We have a live chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter with scans. Everything's very fairly priced, so at least look into it. But at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. Look into the third-party testimonials, read some of them, and that'll give you a good third-party perspective. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.